Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So as you can see behind me, I have the Algonquin Construction and Excellence Center. This is the actual place where all the construction classes and your construction courses happen. But because of the COVID, they didn't happen. But this facility is still open. I can go inside and see what is there. I can sit inside and read or work and take my laptop and just use the college Wi-Fi. So I just wanted to show you this building, and guys, this building is a LEED certified building, platinum certification it has gotten, and I will show you why this building has got the LEED platinum certification. And guys, this video will be a really interesting video for all of you. You will get to learn a lot, so try watching this video till the end. And guys, without any delays, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is how the building looks from up close, and over there we have the entrance. So I'll move towards the entrance right now and I'll show you guys how this building looks from the inside and what makes this building so special. And there is one more thing to show you, that look at its facade. So this facade is actually optimized. So this is the west facade over here, you can see, and this is the south facade. So they have like huge openings over here. So what it does basically is to increase the heat gain of this building. So look at this. Look at the amount of openings they have on the west and south facade. And here, when you go up close, so you will see these shading devices. So these are not just for visual appeal, these are actually working shading devices. So what it does is it's blocking the harsh sunlight, that when the sun moves, so this direction is east direction, so sun moves from here, it goes to south and it moves like this, and this are called the vertical shading devices. These are not horizontal, and you can see how efficiently these buildings are designed. So, and when you will go up close to all these glasses, so I'll show you these glasses. These are like double glazed insulated panels, so it actually maintains the equilibrium of temperature, so it is pretty good. And when the building was functioning, there was an entrance over there also, like you can enter the building from here. But right now, only for entrance, the entry is from this side. So right now the entrance is only accessible from here, and as you can see, this is the metro station. So this station, the trains will stop right here. You can get down from the train and directly enter into the college. So this will be a very great thing for Algonquin College, because it is kind of disconnected from all the metro stations. You have to take a bus to come to Algonquin College. But this, as soon as you can see, like, you know, this project will be completed, and it will be a good thing for the students here to reach to this college. So guys, this is the functioning entrance for Algonquin College construction building, and let's go inside. I will just wear my mask, because obviously masks are still mandatory in college. Ontario is gonna stop the mask mandate, but in colleges you still have to wear the masks, and I will have to show my vaccine certificate and things like that. So let's go. And once you enter, there are like two doors, this and that. So this is again to break the thermal bridge and to stop the temperature to fluctuate too much. So once you enter, you have to show your vaccine certificate over there, and then you see all these things. So all the working areas and all the working stations are along the periphery, so less amount of light is needed in the daytime also. And you can see this lift, they have this open lift concept, like where you can see the entire functioning of lift. So this is actually to make an example, like to show the students how these lifts function. And guys, one more very important thing I wanted to show you is this. So this was meant to be a green wall, but as you can see, it's nothing over here because there was an infestation and all the plants died on this building, on this wall. So yeah, having a vertical plantation and vertical wall plantation is a very difficult thing. And guys, this is how this entire building looks like. Very interesting, isn't it? And here you have all the seating areas, and from here you can go up. These are like multi levels, and guys, they have like made glass over here just to show people like how their footing is, like how this building is resting. So this can be a practical example for students also to learn from, you know, how structures are designed. And they have kept all the HVACs and all the ventilation ducts and everything open, so that it's easier to explain to the students or anyone who wants to see how the building functions. And you can see the color selections. They have used like green, yellow, bright colors and good color palette. They have these huge levitating domes. So we will go up and we will see how they are functioning and what are they designed for. So this is called the Minto Hall, and from here we go up. You can see the lighting and everything. So here there used to be seatings so that you can sit here and just work. See, something like this. And this is how this place looks like. And if you see all the beams, the metal beams, they are having this insulation foam. So these are like sprayed on it. So this entire thing is sprayed by that, and it actually protects it from rusting and things like that. So as we go up, so guys, this is how that dome functions. And we can actually go there, sit and study. And right now we will go there and see how it looks from there. And here I'll show. So this is the terrace garden part. So this was also supposed to be a studying area. People can eat over here and things, but for now I think so this is closed. Yes, it is closed. So the area that I showed you, the roof garden one, so this is that area. Like people used to go there, sit, study, chill, and you can see all the grasses over here. They are not dead yet, but they are coming out of hibernation, I feel. And this is how the roof garden is designed. So this is metal decking. Then you have a barrier layer. Then you have your insulations, and on top of it you can see how they have multiple layers. So this is one layer that stops the water from receding, then another layer, then another layer, then you have the gravel layer, then again you have a barrier, then you have membranes, and then you have your grass. So I will post these things in the description so that you can read. And you can see the HVAC system, huge HVAC system, but it's supposed to be highly efficient. On the floor you can see they have used local materials as much as possible. So all these things are to gather points. So as you go ahead, you know, in your studies, you will realize like all these things, like all small things matter. Like every kilowatt of energy that you save will give you another point, and every material that you reuse will give you another point. And over here you will go. So this is how this floating disc functions. You can just sit here and relax. So pretty interesting. I like this space. I haven't yet sat here and studied, but you can see like it's pretty comfortable. I can keep my bag here and I can just sit around, and I can have a visual connect with everything that is over here. So you don't feel disconnected anywhere in this entire building. So these are called the study pod, and very interesting things we can see over here. And guys, these are the classes. So obviously these are not open yet for us for now, but these were supposed to be the classes. We enter from here. There was few classes over here, and this is another center. Like you can see, it's written Faculty of Technology and Trade. So as you can see, it's a pretty interesting building. Not all the areas are open for us to discover as of now, but as you can see, like the entire building is quite functional. The activity through these spaces is pretty good. Like if you're there, if you're on any floor, you will have these like small openings from where you can have again a visual connect to the entire space. And you have this elevators also which will go to different floors. You again have, so the staircase goes to the another level, but that is closed for now. And from all the part of the building you can see this huge gigantic green wall, which is also another point of interest of this building. And I really want to go on that staircase. It looks really interesting, but again it is closed. But as soon as this will open, I will show you guys all that things. So guys, this is the staircase to go on the level 2, and it is open. I thought that it was closed because last time I came here it was closed, but right now it's open. And apparently our building is empty because it's again Saturday and no one roams around like me in college. So yes, this is how the building looks. And I love this staircase design, like where you are always connected to the entire central atrium. You have again skylight. So this thing reduces the demand of daylighting too much, so that like you can see there is no light over here, only daylight. And this are again the lift. So, and actually the concept of bare lift is pretty interesting. I really like this concept. So I really like this concept, and you can see look at this material. This is like, I don't know how this happened, but I think so it is just vinyl or like laminated wooden boards, and these are like perforations over here, and this is quite warm. So very interesting design. I would like to have a proper guided tour of this building, because a lot can be learned from this, because this is a huge facility. I would like to have a guided tour to this building, and explaining each and everything, because obviously I can't know everything that has went in this building. I'm not that great in energy efficient designing yet, but I would really like to learn a lot more about this building, so that even if further ahead in our careers we go we can design something like this, and like, you know, it won't be a very surprising incident for us to design something like this. Like, we can do all the energy calculations, but look at this, guys. Such a lovely staircase. I just flip my camera to show you, and we will go on this. Wow. This is just amazing. The visual linking of this entire building is pretty nice. I really like the ambience and the colors, and it's well lit everywhere. I don't know why we need these lightings, but actually these lights are not needed here because it's quite bright because of the skylight over here. And these are the labs. Okay, these are facility offices and staff only area. I'm not going here, but I think so these are also the classes, and probably these are the offices. Pretty nice and well designed building and well designed structure. And you can see these are the membrane. Actually, these membranes hold water, and you know, they give support to the plants so that plants can be planted in those small slits that you can see. So plants are planted over there, and their roots grab onto these membranes, and this is how it's done. And the bar over there, it's the sprinkler. It sprinkles water on this membrane. And what is happening? They have written it. That is used to maintain the living wall has been inoperable due to the travel restrictions, and because of this, yes, the plant wall are dead and dying. They have not been able to receive the level of care necessary for them to thrive and survive. So this is the issue. Whenever there is a green wall or any living thing like your plants or animals or anything, they need care. And plants are like animals, like they need fertilizer, they need good care. If you don't do that, they will eventually die. So I am at the classroom area. So this is the design studio, and probably we would have been here and sitting here and like, you know, working and studying, designing here. But for now, let's be at home and just do our work. But they have really good work over here. Like, people have done really good sketches. I just want to show you guys. Wait. Very pretty sketches. I really like it. In fact, there are more. This is again from our building only. These looks like, you know, the assignments that were given in our first, second year of architecture. They look like them. I think so. This is from interior designing course. Okay. Loved it. So this is a floor assembly and a wall assembly. So this is how a wall looks like, and this is how the beam is fixed to the wall to support the floor that is above it. Really impressive model. I don't know which students have done this, but it's pretty nice. So these are insulation and these are your joist. So these are eye joist and insulation is filled between them. This is waterproofing membrane, and there is wall insulation inside the wall. Wow, pretty impressive. So guys, this was it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If you guys have any kinds of comments about this building or any queries or any questions about Algonquin College, go ahead, mention it in the comment section, because I am studying here right now in my green architecture course and I'm in the last semester, and I have already done my BIM lifecycle management from this course. So I have a lot of experience about this entire college and how it functions, so I can really help you. So go ahead, mention it in the comment section if you have any kinds of queries. And guys, if you like this video, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot. Like seriously, it means a lot to me. You guys have been too supportive to me, and keep supporting, keep encouraging me to make such interesting and amazing videos. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye bye.